Hey guys, Keys here, back with another Bitcoin video. So it's been a while since I made a video, and I've been traveling, and I also kind of wanted to just wait things out because especially the past few weeks, things have been really choppy. And I mean, these swings are massive. So I kind of wanted to see how things played out before I made an update. Currently, we're sitting at 82.4K. We did lose the parallel channel that stretched from around 90K to 108K. And when we lost it, we got a pretty big bounce up. This huge wick was because Trump tweeted about crypto. And he basically tweeted about a crypto reserve for the United States that included Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, and Solana. So that's really good for ADA as well. But that's why we got a really big candle. We ended up closing back inside, which I thought was pretty significant. But the biggest thing about closing inside is where you're going to close the next day. And the next day, we came all the way back down. We once again closed outside. Then we tried, moving up again. We just wicked. Basically got rejected at the bottom of this channel. And then we came all the way down to 76K, which I was waiting for us to hit this level because we didn't actually hit it on this wick here. We were slightly above it. Pretty sure because everyone just front ran it. So instead of, putting your bids, let's say you put like a limit order. Instead of putting your limit orders at around 77K, you put it at 78K, let's say a little bit higher to guarantee. And so I think everyone just front ran this level of 77, which is why I never actually hit 77. And then we got a big move up. But if you're patient, we do typically come back down to the level, just levels in general, even if it doesn't hit the first time. And we did come back down to it to 76K. You can see this is where we were at here, which was right after Trump got elected. And you can see the box I have underneath, which I think we're going to come down to it. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin and crypto in 2025. I know we didn't get the move up in Q1 that I was talking about, which I'm slightly disappointed. I don't think it's over yet. I think that this structure, even if we do come back down to 70, around 72K, I think we can actually go down to like 67 and still be okay. But if we start closing like down here in like the mid to low 60s or the 50s, then maybe actually we did peak. That hasn't happened yet, so we don't really need to go into that. But I mean, if we really zoom out and Bitcoin did something like this, I mean, this is a lot. Like, this is years, right? So if Bitcoin just came down, maybe hovered here for a bit, and then like continued going up again, when you zoom out, that looks completely okay. So I still think that as long as we don't start closing really like in the 50s or like mid to low 60s, I think that we're still bull. I do think that 2026 is going to be a bear market though. So if we don't get bull and like full bull, like everything's exploding in 2025, then I think we did peak. So that's just a warning because I think it's possible. I don't think it's the most likely outcome. You can see that, basically why 2026? Because 2022 bear market, 2018 bear market. Typically Bitcoin goes in like these 4-year cycles. So you can see here 2018 then 2014, right? This is all 2014. Wait. Yeah, this is 2014. This is 2014. So this is 2014, 2018. Is this 2012? Yeah, this is 2011. So but this is like so early in Bitcoin's history that it's kind of, I think it was just different. But yeah, 2014 bear, 2018 bear, 2022 bear. So 2026, I think will be bear. Even if we like do something like this, right? And then, all of 2026 kind of come back down. I don't know how low we'll go in 2026. But anyways, back to what's happening in 2025. I think that this level is really, really significant, around 72K, and kind of the level I think we're going to bottom around because it's just the level that we couldn't break for 7 months. It was the all-time high. When Bitcoin came to it, it was all-time highs. It held resistance for 7 months. When we broke out of it, it was off of Trump's election. And it would actually be, all we would really be doing is kind of giving back all of the gains from Trump's election. Because you got to realize like crypto was so bullish at the time around Trump, and like he's going to like help crypto and all. And I really think that was a really big reason why we were able to break up. And if you take a look at the S&P, which by the way has been doing really bad, it's down 10%, which is pretty big on the S&P. I know in crypto that's not that much, but for the S&P that's huge. This was Trump's election. So the S&P is actually negative. If you bought on Trump's election, you're actually down. You're down like 2 or 3%. Yeah, you wicked down to 3%, currently down 2.2. Bitcoin, you're still up on Bitcoin from Trump's election. You're still up 21.5%. So Bitcoin could still drop and give back all those gains, and I would still think we're okay. And that's kind of the level I'm looking for right now, which is around, it's basically 73.6. And I know the box doesn't go all the way down to it, but let's just draw it out. Actually, to the bottom of Trump's election, pretty big area. Goes down to around 67. So 67 to 73. I think we'll come to it. I don't think we're going to break it because I'm still bullish on Bitcoin in 2025. But I do think we're going to come down to it. And I don't know how long it's going to take for us to make the move down here. I don't know how long we're going to be down here if we get down here. But that's kind of what I'm thinking is going to happen. Especially because just look at this chart. This area right here, there's no support. I know we're kind of finding support randomly, but like we've never been here before, right? Like these levels, there's no price action here. And if we just made a straight move up, what I would expect is to just make a straight move down. And I know it's taking a while because the markets are just so resilient sometimes that it just makes things take so much longer than I really think they should. But that's, another reason why I think we're just going to go straight down. Another thing, I know there was just so much. I don't know how much you guys like follow crypto and like, other than maybe just price of Bitcoin. But if you guys actually like go on Twitter and just see all the things that are happening while we were in this range, there was just so much stuff in crypto that I really, really hated, which is crazy because I've never really hated anything in crypto, but I was getting really, really annoyed of crypto in this area. This area was basically just scams. It wasn't Bitcoin scamming, but like the crypto space in general. The biggest thing, and I actually think a lot of people associated crypto with, was meme coins, right? So there was a way you could launch memes really quickly and really cheaply on Solana. And it just brought in so many scammers into the space, like a ridiculous amount of scammers that would just scam and do it publicly. And for some reason, everyone just kept falling for it. And I didn't understand why people kept falling for it, but I think it's because it actually brought in a lot of new people to crypto, but all it did was scam their money and they probably just left and never came back. So, for example, Trump, I don't know if you know, but Trump actually launched a meme coin called Trump right here. Actually, let's take a look at it on the chart here. This is Trump's meme coin. I mean, you basically got scammed by the president of the United States. Okay, so I still like Trump and stuff, but this was just a straight up scam. You had the president of, well, I can't actually remember which country it was, but there was this one coin called Libra. Let's take a look at Libra. I think it was Libra or something like that. This was a country. A country launched this coin. And it just straight up scammed everyone. I forgot what the country was. We can actually take a look. What was it? Malay. President Malay. I cannot remember which. Argentina. The president of Argentina launched a cryptocurrency scandal. This is what was going on when Bitcoin was in this range, in this top here. And I mean, we had the president of the United States, the president of Argentina, all these other random influencers just stealing all your money, and crypto really got really annoying to me right here. And I think that going down is actually really good for crypto because it kind of just gets rid of all of that toxic stuff that was just in crypto. So I'm completely okay with this going down. I won't be okay with it if we break this, box and we start closing down here. Then I think we might have peaked when Trump got inaugurated January 20th. But I don't think we're going to do that. So it's already been 11 minutes. We're just going to end it there. I do have some more stuff to say, about crypto in general. I could talk about ADA and Veracity. If you guys want me to, I can make a video on them. But I don't really think that it matters because it kind of only matters what Bitcoin's going to do. But yeah, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.